Ils sont mariés. They are married. Bonjour à tous, j'espère que vous allez bien. In this video, we are going to see the vocabulary of personal data. So let's start. Être marié, to be married. Être divorcé, to be divorced. Être célibataire, to be single. Être fiancé, to be engaged. Être pacsé, to be in a civil partnership. Être veuf, to be widowed for a man. Être veuve, to be widowed for a woman. Être remarié, to be married again. Être séparé, to be separated. Être en couple, to be with someone or to live with a partner. Divorcer, to divorce. Se marier, to get married. Se paxer, to enter into a civil partnership. Se séparer, to separate or to split up. Se fiancer, to get engaged. Madame, Madame, Monsieur, Mr, Mademoiselle, Miss. Un compagnon, a partner. Une compagne, a partner. Une femme, a wife or a woman. Un homme, a man. Un mari, a husband. Une fille, a girl. Un garçon, a boy. Un petit ami, a boyfriend. Une petite amie, a girlfriend. Un petit copain, a boyfriend. Une petite copine, a girlfriend. Nom de famille, surname or family name. Prénom, first name. Surnom, nickname. If the subject of your sentence is feminine, for writing, add a silent E at the end of the vocabulary starting with the verb être. For example, elle est mariée. She is married. You can't hear the E, but you have to write it down. Same if the subject of your sentence is plural, for writing, add a silent S at the end of the vocabulary starting with the verb être. For example, ils sont mariés. They are married. You can't hear the S, but you have to write it down too. And of course, if the subject of your sentence is feminine and plural, for writing, add a silent E and a silent S at the end of the vocabulary starting with the verb être. The verbs starting with se, se, are called pronominal verbs. They are a special type of verb that we will study in detail later on. Ami means friend. Copain and copine mean friend too. As an adult, if you want to refer to your friends, use the word ami. Copain tends to be more used by children or when talking to children about their friends. That's it for the vocabulary of personal data. I hope you have enjoyed this lesson. À bientôt!